Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about sports. Come to the park with me. Listen and say. Riding a bike. Riding a bike. Football. Football. Running. Running. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Walking. Walking. Well done, high five. Now, let's learn some more words about sport. Listen and say. Badminton. Badminton. Baseball. Baseball. Basketball. Basketball. Hockey. Hockey. Tennis. Tennis. Now, let's go to the new sports centre. Listen and say. Swimming. Swimming. Table tennis. Table tennis. Great listening and speaking. Now, look at my workout schedule. Say what I am doing each day. Here's an example. What am I doing on Tuesday? Playing football. You are playing football on Tuesday. Answer the questions. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? What am I doing on Wednesday? Playing basketball. You are playing basketball on Wednesday. What am I doing on Thursday? Playing table tennis. You are playing table tennis on Thursday. What am I doing on Monday? Playing tennis. You are playing tennis on Monday. What am I doing on Tuesday? Playing baseball. You are playing baseball on Tuesday. What am I doing on Wednesday? Riding a bike. You are riding a bike on Tuesday. What am I doing on Friday? Swimming. You are swimming on Friday. Awesome! Now it is time for some running. But remember to come back soon to watch another video or check out our website esleSchool.com.